Hello everyone. Today we will solve fourth numerical of chapter 1 electric charge and field. The statement of chapter 4 is the law of conservation of charge is valid in the following reaction. The reaction is calcium 4420 which is reacted with the hydrogen and the daughter nuclei is scandium 44 and 21 and N10 that is a neutron. So basically what is the law of conservation of charge? It states that in any of the reaction the total number of charge is always remains the constant. Charge can never be created nor be destroyed. So this numerical is particularly based on this basic concept. So here if you see in parent nuclei there are 44 nucleons are present which is reacted by one hydrogen. Now with if we look at to the nucleons there are 44 plus 1 that is 45 nucleons in parent nuclei. So as per the daughter nuclei again we can see there are 44 plus 1 total 45 nucleons. Similarly if we see the number of electrons here in calcium there are 20 electrons and in hydrogen there is only 1 electron. So in scandium we can see there are total 21 electrons. So here we can see in parent nucleus there are 21 electron and in daughter nucleus there are 21 electrons. So as per the conservation of charge, this is valid reaction. Here in daughter nuclei one electron is transferred from calcium to scandium and one neutron is left behind. Means one neutron is eliminated from this particular reaction. So the equation is balanced.